rebuild it brick by brick the way it was, and further than that. Um, if you can bear to hear the words that you said, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, then everything that you've worked to build be broken, and start again at your beginnings. Stoop and build them up with worn out tools. Something to that effect. I'm probably misquoting slightly, but that right there, very, very virtuous thing to be able to do, to see everything that you've built broken, stoop and build it back up with worn out tools. Because it's not your first time building, right? So the tools are tired, you're tired, we're all tired. But if you can do so, then yours is the world and everything in it. The one thing that separates those of us from the rest is that ability to start again at your humble beginnings and build back up again. And so do it.